Hey guys, you might notice that I'm not home right now, and that's because I've gone on a drive. This means I went on a drive, and I have not returned yet. I've gone to a parking lot. I was driving, and I saw this beautiful structure. Let me show you. And there is the beautiful structure I was talking about, that rock formation over there. Of course, these mountains are pretty beautiful as well. I'm going to continue on my drive and go to some other places. Try to remember where I go. I'm still on my drive, and now I have gone to the liquor store. Normally, I would like to go inside and buy some whiskey, but I have too much whiskey in my home already, and I'm afraid if I buy any more, my wife will be upset with me. So, I've accidentally gone into the liquor store, and I've accidentally purchased a bottle of whiskey. Hopefully, my wife doesn't watch this video. I'm going to have to hide this bottle of whiskey, and I feel very bad about it. I'm continuing my drive, and now I've gone to the supermarket because I need to pick up some groceries. But I have been a couple places already. Let's think about where I have been. I have been to the parking lot with the beautiful mountain view, and I have been to the liquor store. If I have been somewhere, it means I went there, but I did come back, or I did leave that place. I went to that parking lot, and I left the parking lot, so I have been to that parking lot. I went to that liquor store, I went inside that liquor store, and then I left, so I have been to that liquor store. I'm going to go inside the grocery store now and get what I need. As you can see, I didn't actually need any groceries, I just needed some cleansing and cleaning supplies. Sorry to lie to you. Now I've gone to the gas station because I need to put some gas in my car. Get in there. So I've accidentally gone to another liquor store, but I'm not going to go inside. I already have to hide that first bottle of whiskey, so I'm not gonna go inside. So it would seem that I have gone inside, and it would seem that I have bought another bottle of whiskey. Please don't tell anyone about this. After a long drive, I am finally home.
Father, where have you been all day?
Oh, I've just been on a drive. Can you remember where I've been? So I went, and I am back now, so we won't say where I've gone, we will say where I've been. Can you remember where I've been? I'll give you a moment. That's right. I've been to the parking lot. I've been to 2 liquor stores. I've been inside those liquor stores. I've been to the grocery store. And what's the last place I've been? Yes, I have been to the gas station to fill up my car. Very nice work. So let's quickly review that. We use gone if we go somewhere and we have not come back. Usually we use this to talk about someone else, because someone might ask, where did Melanie go? Oh, she's gone to the store to pick up some milk. Where did Dad go? Oh, he's gone to the park. to kick the trees. What happened to Mom and Dad? They've gone out to find some new children because they don't love us anymore. And we use been when we go somewhere and we come back, or when we go somewhere and then we leave that place. So I've been many places and now I am home. Now for quick practice, sorry, hold on just a second. Hello?
Robert, I thought you came home. Where have you gone?
I am still home. I've just gone to the bathroom real quick. Yeah, I'll be back. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do some quick practice. Imagine that a dad goes out to buy some milk. One of his sons asks his brother, "Where's Dad?" How should he answer? That's right. He's gone out to buy some milk. A little girl can't find her mom at home. She calls her mom on the phone and asks her, that's right. "Mom, where have you gone?" Tina's cat, Fluffy, comes home after being gone all day. Tina asks her husband, "Why was Fluffy gone all day?" Her husband answers, "She's been out exploring the neighborhood." Okay, last one. You're talking with a new friend and you are curious about her travels. You traveled to Scotland last year and you're wondering if she has also traveled to Scotland. What's the best way to ask her? That's right. Have you been to Scotland? Did you get all of those correct? Let me know in the comments below, along with any other questions you have for me. If you missed any of those, just kidding. If you missed any of those, go back and watch the video again. You just need to review some more. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you know you're doing a stupendous job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon. Sweet little baby me knew. Sweet little baby me knew. Sweet little baby me knew. Sweet little baby me knew.